Hey, welcome back to Moddy's Airsoft, and we're with Bren here. Bren is from Fingal Airsoft. Now we're in one of the older airsoft sites in Dublin. I say Dublin, it's County Dublin. The oldest. Oh, it is the oldest, is it?
In the country.
Oldest in the country. Well, there you go. And I have to say, this is my first time here, and the terrain is fantastic. It's my kind of terrain. There's a lot of hills, a lot of forestry, a lot of shrubbery. There's, you know, tunnels and bunkers, you name it. It's probably one of the best bunker systems I've seen on any site ever. It's absolutely, I'm going to bring you to it in a second. It's a beautiful site. So how long has it been in
4 years, 2 weeks ago. We had our fourth day.
Cool.
4 years.
And the attendance is pretty high here.
Our attendance is very, very steady.
So Saturday and Sunday?
Saturday and Sunday, yeah. Midweek by appointment. Every second Wednesday evening from 7:30 to 12 at night. They're more hit taker type games, more higher school level.
Cool.
One night game.
One thing I noticed in a lot of the other sites is that Saturday tends to be the kids' day. You get a lot of younger players, and then Sunday tends to be more sort of for the older lads like myself.
Yeah.
Is that kind of similar to here?
Yeah, it would be similar, yeah. Yeah, it would be similar here. We tend to try and encourage the kids to come on the Saturday for their own age group and what have you, and the more serious players on the Sunday. But it doesn't always work out like that. So it's all good. It's no difference. While some young players play just as good as any season.
Yeah, true. So, as I say, I'm going to bring you around the site now. This is, been a bit of a unique experience for me. You know, my first time here. I've been about a year and a half trying to get here. It's one of those situations where you get comfortable playing in your local site and you don't tend to move off it. So this year I've decided I'm moving around a lot more, and I'm absolutely delighted I've made it here because very impressed so far.
Oh yeah, these are modular. We have these in the side, so you can block up one side or knock it down. And
cool. Some very intense gameplays, good marshalling. So if you're about and you want to have a go at some Fingal Airsoft, give Bren a check out on his Facebook page. All the links are on the video, and we'll talk. FingleAirsoft.com. There you go. Talk real soon, lads. Right. I'll leave the gun behind. Oh, no! Straight in the bollocks. Get the cover, get the cover. I've just grabbed these two fellas here. They normally play up in Berlurgan, which is a site up in Dundalk, and This is your first time here in Fingal, yeah?
Yeah.
Like myself, this is my first day here. How have you found it today?
Super job, man. Super job, it's class.
Effing class, hey! I fucking love it. Sorry about language, but it is pure class, man. Class. It's like, what do you call it? Munya, roll ya, munya, hey.
The hell is that?
Class. No cat melodeon. It's all fucking thread play. I love it.
Now there you go. Couldn't have said it better.